Hi all, so this is the two parts from the broken iPad. This is the touch screen that was broken, and this is the LCD itself. We will start maybe from the touch screen. Okay, so I will tell you my assumption when thinking about it. It looks like a capacitive touch. Why is that? Because I see two film of and it's like a capacitor with the electrical material, and then many contacts. You can see there are many lines of copper wires, and this is probably considered like lines that go in straight and column and rows, and then you have all the column and rows, and when you touch, you are changing the capacitance in the areas that you are touching, because the space between the dielectrical and the two metals is probably changing. So this is my assumption how this is working, but I wanted to take it apart and see if I can remove the parts. It all glue, so maybe I can heat it up and then all this part will go out. Let's try to do it. So I will set around 100 degrees Celsius, and then I will try to move around all the parts and try to take one of the other. If this will work, I'm not sure, but we can try to do it. So we'll try to heat it.